and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Government vehicles set on fire in Nongmansong. Group of unidentified people attack house in West Khasi Hills. Slow loris rescued and handed over to Wildlife Department in Umsao Nongkharai village. And BSF Meghalaya rescues 46 cattle intended for smuggling into Bangladesh. And now the news in detail. A government vehicle with a registration number ML05AB1290 was set on fire by unidentified individuals on the morning of March 12th. The incident occurred near Nongmansong Road, with the Nongmansong Outpost Police receiving a tip about the fire at approximately 3 a.m. Firefighters were able to extinguish the flames, but the vehicle suffered significant damage. Authorities have launched an investigation into the matter and are working to identify those responsible for this criminal act. The police have urged the public to come forward with any information that could assist in solving the case. A group of masked assailants broke into the house of Theresa Dakhar and Alberal Thongni on the night of March 11th in Senduli 1 West Khasi Hills district. The perpetrators, driving a Grand Vitara with registration number ML10D0254, threw stones and bottles suspected to be explosives at the house of Theresa Dakhar, who is the sister of MLA Methodist Dakhar. Fortunately, no one was injured in the attack. The victims have filed a first information report at Ryangdo police station. Following an investigation, one suspect, firstborn Shine Palyar, was arrested, while three other suspects, Shanbor Shangois Im, Skemborlin Hujan and Silicon Swangre, were detained by Maushandrud police. A case has been registered under the BNS Act and the investigation is ongoing. Tony Shilla, secretary of Umsao Nongkharai village, recently handed over a slow loris to the Wildlife Department after it was discovered on the night of March 11th. Truck drivers parking along the road reported that the animal had entered one of the trucks to hide, causing concern due to its unfamiliar appearance. Shilla, accompanied by village youths, went to investigate and safely retrieved the animal. He then handed it over to wildlife officials for care and relocation to a sanctuary. Shilla highlighted the issue of deforestation during the spring season, noting that it has led to wildlife migration and increased encounters with humans as animals seek shelter.
Mendin ke Janmit kilaton kini driver truck mo kibala wan ai hangi ya kini merat bangso buang aktivasi lan yang tahu slow race di merat bala sedang ban duna lese ane hapok kadang ribu dan hapok kejelah kejongi. Dia ngi layo ini merat bangsa lah ini seluruh kedai menin cewek hakapor kemba prasiteng lah ni kedai duna untuk jat menmet. Dia ini ki driver ki bajunya ini ki truck ki penahap ki mar joki nampak kena kejelah ini sabar kejelah kidang lek sabar hakawe ni ki caka ke bagi juang ke waskan ke badan kaput bat ketika senang winan. Dekat bagi tang lek sabar kalau aku batulungnya batu nombot je une merat seluruh skimtip warna kia warna pula kiu no sa support jongka truk te kini ki driver bagi kini ki nongnya kim poi perkat ba pula don merat te undah bagi la yu ki la kendet mat kunta hadin ba ki la yai kham sakmat bat la poi ha saka ke bagi ngi don ngidang don pring ka jinga tre pring ka jinga pela ba te wan khat yangi driver wan khat yangi ông ini ba kalau ya tu ini ba gugan merat ba pela apa truk kacu. Te anda ngila lek rangkat bat ngar rangkat ba kini ki Samla nak ko senong ngila lek ngilap ban ba udah guna merat slow res. Bat kumta hi nga marmar kum unong ilam senong nga laong kini ki Samla ban camp ngin IT saka wildlife. Te kumta ngila camp te merat kumta ka step ngila yo ban bu yo ne merat bangsa ne ta slow res bagi om siapa ka office ka wildlife. Te lengba kanai ka jingwan IT ke jongi lengba ka jing lengba kanai ka lat sai Khubor nak kalian jongi kum kinong senong ba om tang na po ka senong sa no krai re hapo ka dong ribol ne hapo ka jelahi ba nginlong kita ki breu ki bayajan le kita ki breu ki bana kum kinong senong kin banyada khamta mi kini ki merat ki pelastang men dujaj om tang une ujaj merat re sibun kali sibun jai ki merat ki pelastang men dujaj nak awai ka por tang idon kamba bangin dan kajing trilang apa dengan upai ba bat nak kalian ke department kenang ba kini kimarat kilong ki pasingan kenang ba kini kimarat kinyo yak ta kajing makin yo sup la saing da saya haka jaka ka bagi dei ben da saya hakum hapo klau bat ngasngoru ban kentu bagi hapo kadong ribhoi mah kini ki por kini ki banai terkhong le se kadei na kadau kajing thang klau pathar mah kali kajing thang klau ka ba pathar ka ba klem nong rem le se ka ba shu thang kat kabalap kat kabasyam yaki cloud tak klem let's say wat la dam de ka jaka ka ba kitre kita la ka ba kirap kriang ru kila sutang cloud pathar namar kane ka jing thang yaki cloud pathar ru ka pendujak yaki sim kita ka pendujak yaki merat ki mereng ka pendujak ru yaki sentiu ki skut la ne yaki kanban kita snow ban kentu ma ko monong senong jang kadong riboy ngaso ban kentu ba tongin ya usiar la ne tongin ya sumar ka cloud ta ba oi se la da ngidon kam ban rap ban riang ngidon kam ban thong ru le se ngidon kam kuitang itu ibenta da le ba khnang ban lai ban kan.
In a successful operation to curb illegal activities along the Indo-Bangladesh border, Border Security Force BSF Meghalaya troops rescued 46 cattle worth over 8 lakh which were intended for smuggling into Bangladesh. Acting on specific intelligence, the 4th Battalion BSF Meghalaya launched a swift operation near the international border in the West Jainti Hills district. The cattle were found tied in a jungle area, strategically placed for cross-border smuggling. The seized cattle were handed over to the police station Muktapur for further legal action. This operation highlights the BSF's commitment to securing the border and preventing illicit trade, ensuring law and order along the international boundary. In an effort to combat rising violence against women, the District Social Welfare Office of Ribhoi District, through the District Sankalp Hub for Empowering Women, conducted a self-defense training program for children and young women. This initiative is part of the social development goals under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme BBBP of the Government of India, aimed at empowering women and protecting their human rights. The training, designed to help women protect themselves from potential threats, was held at Ground and Pound Mixed Martial Arts in Nongpor. The program underscores the commitment to empowering women and enhancing their safety and security.
Keteng tuan, di bab himare ngasong asa mo kodem ka bahap ko mo but hamne you want training ya ka self defense kala penjai data Department of Social Welfare tong ka beti badhau ni yo ke jingkai ni ka lung ba ka ni ka training self defense ni kumlo ba ni da yang ni kan thai khamta me ke jing sha Khubor ha ni kisim ba man ta ba bun ki nong shun ki ap tha ba kumlo ki ka ban tin chat ni ki kan thai dapat ditulungi kena rujuk.
Keting juga ka dito di Pasig City. Asyong sa mak jirang blok tinggawan hangye pen training ya kata ka self defense. Balak penyai ya ka social welfare jongka beti pacau beti perhau. Jadi kani kajaka kadai ka ground and pow MMA. Ini ka bayo nang ne kadai ka wrestling, kickboxing, bat ka di combat MMA. Te ngai kublay ya isar ibala panikai ni anta bat ya ki bawan shim pan le ya kanika training jok MMA bat kam tamru ya ka office ka bala ai knang yangi kum ki kun samla kenthei ban kumno ban yarap yalade
Keting jinga di bam lang kado ban syong sa ya pam. Ngawan hangne nangaboy rambong blog. Ngadon hangne ban yo jin training yo self defense bala punya da ka Department of Social Welfare beti bacau beti panau. Bala pinlong ha for ground and pound MMA. Kijin kai bang yo nangne kadai ba kumno bang nang ban boxing ban wrestling ban kick ban bakumno ban defense yalade ban yada yalade na kano kajing ma hinasa ba hap injoni ada hinong lute rane ki nongshun rani ki wan hakapor bangim poi pakhat te lingba jongane ka department ega balapnya hamne nila ban yo ega ta kajing yada nila ban tip bun lingba jongane nila ban yo jing yada kadang bangin nomjah kano kapot kabali ni nishan
Keting juga keting bilang patang sa ko mo rin kan ngawan na kaum si blog din ngawan hangni na banta ka training jong kasabkan sa ground pong MMA nang po ba kujuru ba pendek dak ka beti pacau beti patau bikin kai ba yo ani kuno bang defense lagi nang tabel bikin kai ba ni kai long bang kick ni box nang ta kuno ba defense lagi dan nak hayu dan tamak kata hai ki support from ta kibun ki the case kibun ki ba kinyan ya thei mo kam tam nak ba ni saba ki ba ki travel to kunjo te takajingan ke kini hamni te ni train lagi ba kunjo ni ha ban aji kai lang ye ki kan thei do
Keting jonga re seksual kadia ngawan naga Shillong Barengau naga jirang blog hangne niwan hangne banyo post kabashi bunai bala penyai dekat Department Social Welfare biti parhau biti bachau hak ground and pound MMA hanong po niyo jing hikai nange boxing kumlong in fight but ikibriu ki basniu but wrestling but kumno in defense la jo
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.